Good morning, vlog. I'm back home from my great vacation. Unfortunately, this is what I come home to. Look at all that snow. Actually Thursday, and I'm supposed to be at work, but the weather had different plans, so I'm working from home today. Thank God. Actually, I needed a break, but we are one last day closer to the weekend. So today's a work from home day for me, and tomorrow I go back to work. Tomorrow's also Valentine's Day. Not like I have plans though, but yeah guys, I made my coffee. We're gonna see where the day takes me, but this is basically gonna be like a weekly vlog because I'm back to reality, back to my normal routine. We'll see what the weekend holds. I think I'm doing a couple things. Might go snow tubing, so that'll be fun. You guys are just gonna come with me throughout my week. So I'll see you guys later on when I am done my work day, which will probably be at like 5 or so. So yeah. All right, you guys, it is 8 o'clock. It's a little bit later on. Honestly, after I turned off the camera, I looked at my emails. It was 5 o'clock. Took a little nap, ate some dinner. I did just do my skincare, so my face is a little bit oily right now. But unfortunately today's Thursday, so I do still have work tomorrow. I'm actually about to refresh my hair, like fix these curls so that I don't have to do it tomorrow in the morning. Let me show y'all. Yeah, I just like threw on a headband today. Yeah, so I'm gonna detangle and put some products in this hair so I don't have to do it tomorrow morning. Like, you guys literally do not want to see my leave out underneath this headband. It looks crazy. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day. I keep repeating that, like, I have plans, I don't have plans, but I'm just excited. I'm thinking of wearing like pink to work. I have like my pink Uniqlo cardigan. I might wear this to work tomorrow, you know, just to be in the festive little mood. Like, it's still a cute little day. Comment down below if you guys had any Valentine's Day plans, or if you guys did anything for Valentine's Day, or like, literally it doesn't even have to be anything romantic. Like, I low-key wish I planned a Galentine's, but I just didn't want to host it, so I think that was my issue. But Valentine's Day is not just for people in couples, it's for everybody. So I hope you guys enjoyed your Valentines. I hope I enjoyed my Valentines too. Sure. But yeah, let me get to this hair, and I will see you guys probably tomorrow morning while I'm getting ready for work, if I have enough time to film, because I'll be waking up late sometimes. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, you guys, so I am done detangling my hair. I'm just gonna let it dry. I don't know how I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. This is my leave out part, please don't mind it. But yeah, I'm done. About to put this in a little like pineapple and then put on my bonnet. This is how I go to bed. I just let it like air dry like that. Look what I got. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Look what I got from my secret admirer. No, I'm playing, you guys. This is my late birthday gift from my family friends, and I'm so happy. I'm actually happy that I got on Valentine's Day, because like now I feel like I'm a part of the crew. But it's so cute. Let me show you guys. Okay. So I got the EOS lotion, finally. I got the coconut waters version because, I don't know if I told you guys, but when I was in Florida for my birthday, I smelled the vanilla cashmere and I hated it. Like y'all, you guys cap too much on the internet. I absolutely hated it. I like the coconut smell and the strawberry smell, so I'm so happy I got this. And then I also got a Juicy Couture perfume. And then I also got an exfoliant. It's Dove. And then I got like a bunch of gift cards. Y'all know I love Sephora. And I'm just so happy, like, even though it's for my birthday, it kind of feels like it's for Valentine's because it was in like this pink box. And I'm just so grateful, like, to the Fosters. They know who they are. Shout out them. I literally love them down. And I love my gift. And yeah, let me put this away. Yeah, you guys, it is Valentine's Day. I literally just finished getting ready. I came home early from work also because, like, Monday's a holiday, so they let us go home early at work. I'm not complaining. But I just finished getting ready because I am going out. I'm going to the movies. I think we're gonna get food and then we're also going to the movies. But, you know, just to, like, do something. It's a Friday night. It's a long weekend. It's Valentine's Day. Just because you're single doesn't mean you shouldn't be outside today. Like, no. Go outside. Do something that you like to do. Remind yourself that you're loved. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna watch a movie and we're gonna go out to eat. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. As I said, I literally just finished getting ready. I'm in such a good mood. Like, happy Valentine's Day to all those who are celebrating, couples, single, friends, galentines, whatever. Happy Valentine's Day. It is a day of love. And love yourself. If no one loves you, love yourself. Jesus loves you, so you need to love yourself. And that's that. So I'll see you guys once I leave because I'm still home. So yeah. We made it to the movies. Date for the night. And we're late.
I'm my own date.
Oh, she's her own date. Yeah. But we are a little bit late. That's okay though.
Gotta walk fast.
That never gotta sweat that. You could bet 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 that never.
Movie theaters. We're leaving. Hey guys, so I have made it back home after the movies. We ended up watching Captain America. I don't know if I even said that, but we ended up watching Captain America, and honestly, like, I'm not like a major like Marvel's fan, but it was pretty good. And I like the fact that Captain America was black, because you know it's Black History Month, so power to him. It wasn't bad. It was in 3D. That's the only thing that took me off. Like, we didn't really look at the timings. We just went to the movies. And the one that was already playing was the 3D one. So, yeah, I haven't done 3D movies since, like, grade 5, maybe. I don't even know. But it was still really good overall. But, yeah, Valentine's Day is over for me. I honestly enjoyed it. Like, even though I didn't have, like, a particular significant other, it don't matter. I enjoyed it. I went to the movies with my sister. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed your Valentine's Day. Tomorrow we are going to brunch, so that should be exciting. I see y'all tomorrow. Celebrate Valentine's Day. Love is in the air. Bye. See you guys tomorrow. Look at the snow, guys. We're supposed to be getting a snowstorm, so this brunch might be very fast. We're at Walmart. Alright, you guys, so we're at Walmart now because we're getting, well, my sister wants to get ski mask because I told you guys we're going snow tubing on Monday. So we're at Walmart. I don't think I'm gonna get ski mask because, I mean, not ski mask, ski goggles, because I just don't need them. It's a waste of money. because I don't go skiing like that. Brunch was amazing. Food was great. I'm stuffed. Snowstorm's still going on. I need to get home into my bed. But yeah, that's the update. Come on. These are such
Try these ones on.
I need the ones that suction. Yeah, she's taking me for Poppy show. Yeah. First of all, we're going tubing, and my eyes
That
are.
can protect your eyes, man.
No, my eyes are. Julie, you don't understand. These are essentially like glasses. I need the suctions. I need the ones that like.
Well, that's not here.
Oh, they got a snap. Come on.
Oh my god.
First of all, shut up. Hold on.
No, because it being okay from afar, it looks like ski goggles. It can go on. It works. Yeah, it can work.
Listen, my eyes are too sensitive for the wind. Let me see how I look.
These are actually goggles, guys, but I guess they'll do.
But I am back home. After all of that, I am officially back home, and I want to show you guys my bridesmaids box. So this is the box we got. It says, "Will you be my bridesmaids?" And then she wrote me like a cute little like letter on the back. And she gave us a fan. Super cute, super cute. Definitely gonna have to charge her. I got this cute, is this hand soap? Cute. And then we got a bonnet, because you know, you could honestly never have too many bonnets. So I'm very grateful for this. This was well needed. And then, my favorite part, I got my robe with my name on it. Y'all know I love me a good robe. I literally wear my black robe like all the time. I have a substitute now. This is so cute, and I love the color. This is the belt, and then also bed slippers. Oh, this is so cute. Y'all don't even know how much that box, like this box, means, because it's my cousin who's getting married, and I've literally grown up with her since I was like basically out the womb. So this just means so much, and like it's gonna be my first wedding that I'm in. Oh my goodness, you know you're getting older when you like when you're. What am I trying to say? You know you're getting older once you start participating in the weddings. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Shout out to my cousin. I'm so excited for her to get married. I'm so excited to be a part of this journey. Like, ah! These slippers are so cute. But yeah, y'all. That was basically my day. It is not even late. It's like 4 o'clock right now, but I feel exhausted. I don't know why. I don't think I'll be leaving my house for the rest of the day, like at all. So I might see you guys tomorrow, because I'm about to head in this bed. I didn't start watching Love is Blind yet, so I'll probably start that right now. And yeah, we're just gonna keep it cute and cozy all up in the bed, because I can't. This weather is stopping my potential. I can't be outside. I'm sorry. I'll see you guys later on, if anything, if I do anything, which I highly doubt it, or I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday, so we have church. So see you guys when I see y'all. Are we seeing the vision? Okay guys, it is officially snow tubing day. We are literally leaving in like 5 minutes, but are you guys seeing the vision? I don't know if I should wear this one or if I should do white and black combo, but I did white last year. I just don't know if like the brown and this brown is like throwing it off. I can't tell. But I haven't worn this since I've gotten it, so I think we're just gonna stick with it. It's whatever. We'll stick with the brown look. I have my brown North Face and then just black gloves. And then obviously I have to get like my snow pants and like everything. But yeah guys, it is a Monday. Happy Family Day to everyone. It's, if you don't know what that is, it's basically like a free holiday in Canada, essentially. We get the day off, thank God. At least it'll be a shorter week for me working. Yesterday you guys didn't really miss much. Yesterday was a whole entire snowstorm, guys. Like, it snowed so much the Sunday night, and then Sunday morning it was still snowing. So I didn't really do much. I literally went to church in the morning and then came home right after and was in my bed. And I had to shovel a little bit, so yeah, I didn't really pull out the camera yesterday. But the snowstorm has settled. The roads are kind of clear now, so we are going snow tubing. Gotta embrace being a Canadian, embrace the winter. Technically, we only have like 1 more month. Isn't February? I don't know when spring is, but spring is right around the corner because you know February is a short month. So let's embrace the winter. I'm excited. I obviously am gonna bring my digital camera. You know, we gotta get some pictures. I'll be vlogging on my phone once we get there, so y'all will see all that. But yeah, this is the little OTTD, little snow winter accessories. I think it's cute. I'll have to do for today. And yeah, so I'll see you guys once we get there.
Do y'all see what I'm talking about? It is snowing. It's snowing. How much bigger can this little mountain get? This is too much. Is it giving winter? Giving ski babe. I'm feeling myself, y'all. I really am. Made it. It's literally snowing like crazy out here, but we made it. Oh my god, wait!
Today, are you okay?
I'm okay! Guys, it's giving snowy. I hope this hair does not get damaged, but the sun is out, so I do feel my fingers a little bit. But we went down all together for the first time, and now I'm going down separately by myself. So this shall be fun. I'm really cold though. I'm next. I'm so scared. Hi. Hi, how are you? Good, how are you? Can you spin me? Okay. We survived, guys. We survived. The views are so beautiful. One day I'm gonna do skiing. I don't know when. But one day I will. Just relax and let me make a move. We survived. We're about to go outside and take some digital pictures, and then we are leaving. But we survived! We survived! Yeah! I look crazy, but you know what? It's all good. Pictures come first. Okay, I'll be back. Literally a snowstorm.
Granted, I'm still trying to think about this day on like a summer day. I still wouldn't want to do that. Like, I wouldn't want to move that.
Y'all, I made it back home. It is 9:43. Can you guys see that? Hold on. It's 9:43. We finished tubing at, what time we finished tubing? We finished snow tubing at 5 o'clock, okay? 5 o'clock. It is 9:43. Y'all don't understand the journey I just went through to get home. Like, it was crazy. Like, we went to Barrie to go snow tubing and the roads were disgusting. Like, literally so bad that we couldn't even see anything when driving. It was so windy, so like the snow's coming at the windshield, and then it's getting dark, and it got dark, so like we had to really take our time driving. It was so scary, but thank God that I'm literally alive and home right now. That was a journey. Like, literally nothing was funny. Like, the car ride was silent. Like, silent. Nothing's funny till I see my house, okay? Like, no. So we are finally home. Snow tubing was really, really, really fun though. Hopefully I got enough footage for you guys, because I was recording on my phone, and then I was trying to record more, but like my phone kept dying because it was so cold up there. Like, it literally, my phone would be at like 40%, and then it would die, and I have to turn it back on and be at like 10%. My battery kept going like on and off. So hopefully I got enough footage for you guys. I do have work tomorrow. Tomorrow's like gonna be like basically a new week, I guess, because the holiday is over. So I'm pretty much gonna end the vlog here, I guess. I hope you guys enjoyed this little week in my life. Well, it wasn't really a week, it was a couple days, but you know, same thing, same difference. It's cool, it's all good, same thing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next video. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.